Hello, my name is Jordi van Langen and I will be presenting Document Understanding Dataset and Evaluation, DUDE, which will also be featured in ICCV 2023. So the objective of DUDE is to construct a long-standing document understanding benchmark incorporating real-world complexities of any kind, such as layout navigation, visual objects that occur frequently in documents, and so on. To do this, we adopt the task paradigm of document visual question answering and the learning paradigm of multi-domain long-tailed recognition to guide the construction of the dataset. This to check if real-world documents can be handled in all complexity and variety with all the subtasks that can occur. This can be key information extraction, handwriting recognition, signature verification, and so on. We want to see if current state-of-the-art models are able to generalize to any document and any questions. And when I see everything, I mean everything. So here are some examples from the dataset where you can see that questions require visual evidence or operations such as counting, arithmetic, and even digging into maps or evidence spread across pages. And in the middle, you can see some of the methods we tested or models we tested, which are not performing too well. The design principles behind DUDE are document visual question answering, multi-domain long-tailed recognition, which are shown here. So we consider document types to be a domain because you naturally can ask different questions on certain document types. So on the x-axis of this illustration, you can see that for invoices, there will be more amounts, which can be extracted for key information extraction, whereas for contracts, dates are more prevalent. And also how they feature in those documents will be different. This actually guided our data construction efforts, which then translates to designed complexities for models who have to adapt under low resource settings. So for example, the red bar in the grant application shows that we did not have any QA pairs for checkboxes on grant applications, whereas they might occur. And models will have to transfer this skill learned on different document types. As a summary of the data set, just here in one slide, we have obtained more than 40K QA pairs for 5K documents. And on average, documents are 6 pages. We constructed them from multiple sources. They're from multiple industries, finance, legal, medical, etc. They are of many document types. And we also consider very different question types. So all this, and we tested different models on the dataset. And just to give you an example, we show that generative modeling for abstractive questions, of course, is a must. And large language models are able to perform quite well, but are outperformed by models that have layout understanding or can incorporate longer sequence lengths. Still, the state-of-the-art ANLS for the reference models is below 50%. We also include diagnostic metadata to see where there might be a gap between human baseline performance and the reference models. What can be seen here is that mainly for questions requiring visual evidence and reasoning operations, that there is a discrepancy with humans. We also want to point out that we organized a competition at a different conference on this data set, but submissions are still open and you're invited to test your best models. As a future outlook, the challenge is still on, so we believe that DUDE offers a proper benchmark for evaluating confidence estimation, calibration, and selective generation. We do believe better metrics are required for generative evaluation, and while multimodal large language models are appearing, better solutions are coming, but DUDE, due to its design complexity, might remain the benchmark to beat for longer. As well, we want to iterate that the literature should look more into long document processing because it's insufficiently addressed. So for any questions or future collaborations, extensions, do reach out to us at ICCV, the poster session on Friday, and all links are here for your convenience. Thank you.